Yep.
Hey, greetings everyone. It's Mac here. Volume's a little loud, give me a second. Won't affect your viewing pleasure. But we're going to the strangest, or one of the strangest places in Red Dead Redemption 2. Been continuing my playthrough. I'm about to the point where I left off before. I've got a different horse now. This is Raven. I think she might be a tad faster than the white Arabian I had. It's a black Arabian horse. I've got one other horse. It's a thoroughbred male. You can have up to 4 horses.
You're a brave girl.
And it pays off just to bond with your horses because it feels so good when you can just canter around,
Yeah.
jump.
Yep.
This is, am I there? Yeah, I'm there. Okay. This is the Aberdeen Pig Farm. Very strange random encounter. We're going to go through it. Maybe discussed or maybe not. It's very disturbing, but there is a ton of stuff like this in the game that just happens.
Hey there! Don't be shy, partner. No such thing as a stranger here.
Okay, settle down, settle down, settle down.
You
Settle
look
down.
like you need to take a load off.
Well, ain't this a rare treat? Why didn't you tell me we had guests coming? I'd have fixed myself up nice.
Oh, now you
Wow.
know who the
Okay,
perfect
just
princess.
enjoy, watch.
I ain't no guest, miss. I'm just passing through.
Oh, nonsense. Well, come on in. Rest a while. And we got food on the stove and a bottle of the good stuff we've been saving.
It's decided then. I'm gonna go freshen up.
I appreciate the offer, but I best be on my way.
Oh, come on now. How you gonna turn down a hot meal and good company? I'll go open that bottle.
I gotta say, look at the graphics on ultra settings, the sunbeams. Oh yeah, whatever.
Hey, there he is.
Hey.
Come on in. Come on.
Okay, southern weirdo. What's up?
I hope she ain't primping for hours up there. We'll never eat. Go check on her, will you?
Me?
Well, sure. Hey, get to know the place. Make yourself at home. Well, just go hurry her up a little. She won't listen to me.
Well, they keep up the place well. So it's like just a random encounter that I had the first time I played through this game, and it was very strange. I think there's creepy shit here. Never mind, perfectly normal.
Six sons of bitches.
Do 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 do. Yeah, so something's weird about these two.
Well, look who it is. You are hungry, ain't you?
Yes.
I didn't mean to intrude, miss.
It's all right. Looking ain't a crime. You go on and have a seat at the table. I'll be down in a minute.
Okay. Oh boy. We're just gonna let this play through. But check out the reflections. Nice touch. Okay.
And there was me thinking you was the bashful type.
No, here was me thinking you're the weird type. It's gonna get really weird here. Really weird. Just wait.
She'll, be down in just a minute.
Woohoo! That is what I like to hear. Hey, now pull up a chair, partner.
All right, we're gonna sit down.
That's it.
Relax.
Settle in.
Everything's
Make
fine.
yourself at home. Well, hey!
Hey!
Ain't this just about perfect? One of them moments you wish could last forever.
Well, like I said, I can't stay for long.
Then look at us, like a couple of old friends. Ah, it's a short life, but a merry one.
Here we are, all the fixins'. I hope you boys left some room in your trousers.
That smells delicious. The food don't smell too bad neither.
Oh, stop it, you! How do you like it?
Wow.
It's good. Different.
That meat is so tender. You know what? This place used to be a pig farm when we was kids. Before we lost our ma and pa. Horrible business.
Horrible.
Yeah.
We still got each other, ain't that right, honey pie?
And we still know how to have a whole killing time.
Arthur's face.
Here, that's
My
for you.
second playthrough, I've realized that he reacts perfectly to every situation.
Where are my manners? Drinks.
Yeah, I could definitely use a drink.
Woo-hoo! That stuff will put hair on your chest.
Oh, I doubt he needs that. Let's loosen you up some more. Come on, honey.
You know, at this point you should leave, but it's more fun if you don't.
What the hell is that?
It's an old Aberdeen home recipe. That one right there is in 1894.
Feels like someone stabbing me in the head.
Come on, I thought I had a man here, not a boy. One more, and you and I both will go upstairs and have a lie down.
That's not creepy at all, because, oh my god, she's
What the
so
hell?
gorgeous stuff.
Oh, about time. Now take whatever cash he has on her, put it behind Mom.
What?
What the hell just happened? Those crazy sons of bitches got some explaining to do.
There's a slight possibility you've done this before. Alright, I've got my pistols. Let's see where we are on the map. Yeah, we're just over the hill from their creepy, weird farm. The brother and sister who drug people and take their money. Why they left me with my pistols when they dumped the body, I don't know. Okay, there's my horse. She's fine. Now, I hope you don't judge me when I take care of business here, because it's not going to be pretty. What do I got for bullets? Okay, we've got split points, which are essentially hollow point rounds that Arthur can make on his own. I don't think we're going to go in there to negotiate or ask questions.
You ain't.
Some creepy bastards. Okay. I'm not going to pretend like I don't know where the loot is, because it's behind the picture of their mother. As I said, I've done this before. Oh, I've got my money back. You people have problems. But I think there's like an interesting picture upstairs that might explain some of the weirdness. Mom and Dad died. Someone crossed out their eyes. Creepy brother and sister. Oh, I don't know. It's all very strange. I don't think there's much else up here, but how do we enjoy the lighting on max graphics settings? My God, it looks so good. What's over here? Ginseng? No. Bitters? Okay. Don't need that apparently. Anything over here? Yeah, not much. Okay. Not creepy at all. There's nothing here. Nothing there. They like to play chess. We'll take the bourbon. Cocaine gum. It makes you wonder whose bones are in that cabinet. Their mom, their pop. That loose board or the discolored board would seem interesting, but I've looked before. There's nothing there. So I don't know. It's kind of a weird thing. Brothers and sisters who drug people, try to seduce them. Oh, biscuits. I don't think there's anything in here. Oh, strawberries, yeah. Yarbear. Let's see here. No. Well, so I just killed two people who tried to drug and kill me. I'm not going to eat that stew. It was probably people, honestly. I think, if I remember correctly, they have like a room over here that is full of things they stole from other people. No, it's the other room. This one. I've got got enough of that, but there's like a bathtub here. I thought there was a, oh, maybe it's here. No? What am I missing? There was a room full of clothes and other stuff. Back there, or... It's not up there. Oh, maybe here? He's got a still. Yeah. See piles of clothes. Yeah, they've been doing this for a while. Okay, there is a box. Ooh. Coins? A billfold. Another billfold. And nothing else. There's probably another way this could play out. Oh. I need perfect buckskin. Ow! God damn!
Crap.
Alright. Relax. He was just scared. He wasn't hateful.
Long time, girl. Oh, I'm sorry, girl.
Always make sure to pet your horse. So that was the Aberdeen Pig Farm. Right here on the map, a little weird thing that happens in Red Dead Redemption 2. Enjoy. See you later.